Meanwhile,
Ano ba yan? Wala na naman signal. Kakaiyamot.
This is the reality of the digital divide in our country. The unequal access to the internet and technology that divides Filipinos.
Two old friends meet again. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment.
meanwhile,
Oh, every time I see you, 그대 눈을 볼 때면 자꾸 가슴이 또 설레어와. Baby, oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, oh, 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 oh.
Oh, every time I see you 그대 눈을 볼 때면 자꾸 가슴이 또 설레어와.
The digital divide isn't just about entertainment. It affects education too. One child can easily access online resources, research information, and complete their assignments. The other faces slow internet, limited access, and struggles to keep up.
Atak! Victory! Ganda talaga maglaro pag maganda ang signal.
meanwhile,
Ayan, sobrang lag.
You have been slain. An ally has been slain.
Palo tuloy, sobrang lag kasi. Hirap makagalaw. Kainis naman. Bawas tuloy yung start ko. Di na nga makalik sa epic. Balik pang Grandmaster. Kainis.
It's not just about learning. It affects how we connect and have fun. One child can enjoy online games, connect with friends, and experience the thrill of virtual worlds. The other faces lag, disconnections, and limited access, missing out on the joy of online gaming.
2,000 years later.
Hello. Pasensya na, nakatulog kasi ako.
Connecting.
Naku, nawala na naman ang signal. Galit na naman to sa akin mamaya.
This is the story of the digital divide, a gap that not only affects our connections but also our relationships.
To solve the problem of limited internet access, we need to take several steps at once. First, we need to build more internet connections, especially in places where there are few people using the internet. Second, we need to teach people on how to use the internet. This means helping them learn to use computers and phones to get them online. Third, We need to make the internet more affordable for everyone. This can be done by giving discounts on internet services or by creating programs that offer a free or low-cost access. So by working together, the government, businesses, and charities can help everyone to have equal access to the internet and all the opportunities it offers.